Sam for Sam's Detailing, and today I'm going to be talking about how to fix your hazy headlights at home with generic tools. Nothing special. So you'll just need some masking tape, a drill, a polishing pad, a drill bit that attaches to a backing plate for that polishing pad, some sand scratch remover or any polish, and some wet sandpaper ranging from 800 up to 2500. So the process is pretty simple. Start off by getting a bucket of water, get your sanding paper into there, get that all drenched in there, get the masking tape on there and start wet sanding like you probably did in DT with acrylic. Start at 800 straight lines, take up to 1000, 1200, and then finally finish with either 2000 or 2500. Then it's just a case of getting your polishing pad, some scratch remover, and just go over the headlight with your drill. Nice easy motion, left to right, not too fast, just work through it methodically until it comes up to a nice clear headlight. And that's it really simple. You can do it at home. I've done my best to use really generic tools, non-specialist tools, so I can really show you that you can just do this at home. And then once you've done the polishing part, just finish up with some glass sealant or ceramic boost so you can have some UV protection on there so they don't go cloudy again in the future. So that's it, nice and simple.